Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy and I'm so glad that you are joining me today because I am making a delicious apple crisp. Let me show you just how to make it. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. I'm putting out delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday, and I do not want you to miss out on any of them. So if you hit that notification bell, you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. And also, give me a thumbs up, let me know that you like this video. Okay, to make your apple filling, of course you're gonna need your apples. I like a tart apple, and today I'm using Mutsu. Now I found these on my recent trip to Amish country in Ohio, but if you can't find Mutsu, of course you could use a Granny Smith, a Jonathon, or a Cortland, or even a Honeycrisp for a sweeter apple. And then you're gonna need just a few more ingredients, so let me show you. Okay, I have 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, a half of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I have 3 tablespoons of an apple cider. But if you don't have apple cider, you can use orange juice or you can even use water and it'll be just fine. Okay, so after you get your apples peeled and sliced, then I'm just gonna start adding the rest of these ingredients to my apples. Then I'm gonna add the flour, the cinnamon, tossing these apples all around. Gonna add the vanilla extract and the apple cider. And then you just want to stir until all of your apples are nicely coated. And then I'm going to pour my apples into a 9x13 that I have sprayed with non-stick spray. And then you just want to make sure that they're nicely even in your baking dish. And I used right around 6 cups of apples. Okay, so now let me go over the ingredients for your crispy crumb topping, hence the name apple crisp. Okay, you will need 2/3 cup of brown sugar, a half of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of oats, half of a teaspoon, I'm sorry, not one, but half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a pinch of salt. I'm gonna mix this together. And then I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. All right, so you just want to mix until the butter is incorporated. And now I'm just going to sprinkle this topping right over the apples. Okay, so now I'm going to place some aluminum foil on top of this. And I'm going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to remove the foil and bake it for another 20 to 30 minutes until the apples are nice and tender and the topping is golden and crispy. so delicious. And of course you have to have a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of your apple crust. And then I found a jar of caramel sauce in my pantry, so I thought, why not? I drizzled some caramel over top. This is so good. I hope that you try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes.